Alright, so I'm back with the video. Back with the bang video. I said it to everybody because everybody's banging on the shirt. And I know it's been a minute, but fuck it. I just been busy. Got a clothing brand now. It sold out like the last few drops. Going crazy on Depop. Still got school. I've been living life. You know, just a whole lot of shit been happening. Little DIY coming. I seen this video on TikTok of these pants. Yeah, let's straight to it. Let's go. Alright, so the materials, if y'all do want to do this at home or y'all just want to learn how to do it or whatever. So I got these $10 Walmart black jeans. If you're just trying to do a DIY, get these $10 George jeans from Walmart. I got these blue jeans from a yard sale or something. I got them for like 50 cents or something. So I just got scrap jeans to put in the inside of them because in the pants it's like distressed, like destroyed pants. And then I got a Dremel and the sewing machine. Obviously you're gonna need a sewing machine to sew all this shit up. I don't know how long this video gonna take. I did want to make them and wear them tomorrow for school, but fuck it, I don't really care about that in Hell House school. No one's in there fucking with me, no cap. Guess I got Jumanji playing in the back. So y'all know how my DIYs be. It's gonna be like a lot of B-roll. My friends dropped a lot of new music, so I'm finna just plug they shit this whole time. Y'all niggas don't know. Any y'all niggas make music, let me know so I can put this shit in the videos, but yeah. Alright, so as you can see, I did end up seam ripping. I'm finna just make them stacks right now, then I could do all of it at the same time. After I make them stacks, seam rip the whole pants leg so I can do what I gotta do. Bing bong! Now I'm finna seam rip the insides. Jumanji went off, so now I'm watching The Best of Enemies. I feel like it's gonna be good. It got that one girl from
I went to the sun and back. I had to clear my head cause you won't text me back. I'm losing so much sleep like an insomniac. It's fucking with my health, I have a heart attack. Baby, please, where was the trauma at? I'm trying to get some bricks, I'm trying to get some racks. I know you like Chanel, I just got you a bag. I'm doing everything just to keep us intact. From all hills straight to mountains.
Now I'm finna get the extra jeans and cut it inside the rack, make it like a patch. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about.
Shower of shades like a fountain. We throwing out the dirt by ounces. Immature, you can never be accounted for. I don't wanna do this no more. Don't wanna see you cry here no more. So
I feel like this DIY gonna be simple. The hardest part is just gonna be the actual Dremel part because that junk takes OD long. These pants is annoying me with all this thread coming out and it's being annoying. It's cheap ass looking.
Go head out to the door, cause this don't feel like love, man, this feels like war. I don't wanna argue anymore. I just wanna go settle up the scores. Was reminiscing about the times that we shared before. With more hearts beating on the floor.
I'm done sewing the whole left leg, so now I'm finna get into the stretch and sew. It's gonna take a long time. I might not even finish it tonight, cause I do got school in the morning. Yeah, let's just straight to it. Let's go.
It's starting to rain, bitch.
Alright, so today Tuesday. I didn't do nothing to the pants yesterday. I'm gonna finish up the pants. I probably won't finish these whole entire pants till like Thursday or something, cause it's just so much like drilling to do, and it's like get so messy, it gets in your nose and everything. It's annoying. I'm watching Crooklyn right now. Pretty cool, pretty good.
I keep a Glock on me. If for a laser, came with a beam. Shooting the ass, but I stay on my team. I only said red, fuck green. This nigga broken, you wanna be me. I got this little bitch in my sheets. I got this little bitch on my meat. 50 cowboys, I flood big meats. Nigga talking, put his heart to sleep. Chasing the bed like I'm running in cleats. Colder than a bitch, man, I need me a fleece. I want the hub, but that bitch for the streets. Cut off his water, he stuck in the bitch. Stay with the top when you throw no fist. Can't take the rain, he dead like slick.
And I was like, man, you know what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck. I just want to fuck bitches. I'm gonna give you a job. Yo, dog, I ain't getting no knowledge. I don't give a fuck the real shit.
This bitch one more time. Fuck your horn, I'm breaking spine. Sipping on Jamie's and walk with lime. Talking that shit like he dead in the sky. I'm hiding a bitch, I bet I can fly. I only want to fuck it, I'll try. For the whole ones that told her bye-bye.
I don't want to work here no more. Niggas coming to the job. Princess, look, like this. Like, yo, you Cardi? Yeah, bro, that song you got fire as fuck. How long you been working here? That shit don't sound right, bro.
This shit get way too serious. Red, I'ma cut this shit look like a period. Burning this shit like a what? Imperialist. Her little bitch set up, I ain't hearing it. We call sponges, but they got O's. My niggas so slimy, they kicking in doors. My niggas so slimy, they right beyond